In this video, I'll show you how to connect Notion to calendar apps. Now, I can't promise that this is how it's going to be on your calendar app. I use Google Calendar, so this is how it is for me on Google Calendar. So all I would have to do is here on my Google Calendar, I would go to the left-hand side of the screen and just pick one of my calendars over here and just hover over them. And these three dots will appear. I'll click on that and click on Settings and Sharing. Now, inside of here, you want to scroll down and you want to click on Make Available to Public. Keep in mind, this means that anybody can see your calendar, something to be aware of. So when you're ready, just hit OK. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down till you see public URL to this calendar. And you're just going to copy that link. Now we'll jump over to Notion, and you can just click on any of your pages or the specific page that you want to attach the calendar to. And then we'll click at where we want to put the calendar and just /embed, and it should pop up. Click on embeds and then paste that link. And click on embed link. And there you go. Your calendar is now in Notion. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.